All right, it's our final day in Italy. We have to go out with some pride. We're gonna make our flag, okay? All right, if you open your bag, you should have a big piece of cardstock. You should have 3 smaller rectangle pieces of cardstock. And then you should have a couple different pieces of construction paper, okay? Green, red, whoop, red, white.
There it is.
In the middle. All right. What you are going to do is you're going to pick one. You are going to put glue all over it. And here comes the fun part. Pick a color. It doesn't matter which one right now. Tear it. And then fill in all your pieces. Okay? This is the fun part. Get to tear.
That's right.
Okay, try to cover up all the white. I don't know where that one came from, but all right. Getting close, getting close. All right, my green is done.
That's pretty good.
Grab another one.
All right.
Glue again everywhere. Pick a color. Start tearing.
Rip it up.
Rip it up. And then do the same thing. You're gonna want to try to cover up. Let me use this piece. All of the white. You can tear it as big or as small as you want. You can tear it first and then put it on, whatever you want to do. Guess it would be kind of fun just to sit here and like tear it up.
That's right.
It's the one time I'm giving you permission to tear.
That's right.
Getting close, getting close. Ooh. Oop. Come off my finger. All right, almost done with my red. One color left. All right, last one. Same thing. Glue. And then tear. And put it all over. This one's a little bit harder to see, but it is slightly a darker white than your cardstock. So you should be able to see where you're putting it. All right, almost done.
That's all right. Take your time. Rip it up.
This flag looks similar to what other country?
It is similar to Mexico's, but there is a big difference. Mexico's has that golden eagle in the middle.
Yep.
This one just has a plain white stripe. No symbols in the middle.
So you've already received your Mexico box.
Yes, yep.
So you should know what we're talking about.
Yep.
Pull it out if you don't know. Pull out your passport page because we are going to line up our flag just like the Italian flag.
Yep.
Okay, is my green over here?
No.
Nope.
Right
Over
there.
here.
Yep.
Okay. then white, then red. Okay, white, then red. So you can line them up. So we have green, white, red. You can put glue all over this one, your large rectangle. All right, and then I would put the white on first in the middle. That way, if you go over just a little bit, come here, you. All right, then it can hang off the larger rectangle just slightly. So put the white on first and then fill in the rest. Does that look like it?
That looks awesome.
All right, so this is the Italian flag. Remember, there is nothing in the middle. Mexico has our eagle right in the middle, okay? We need to wave our flag up in the air, so make sure you put the stick on the right side. Does that make sense? Put it over here, right? There you go. All right, glue at the top. Flag on. You might have to push it for a little bit, make it solid.
Looks
There it
amazing.
is. There it is. There it is. All right, you guys. I hope you've had fun in Italy. I have had a blast. I will see you in our next country. Bye.